Good morning, happy Thursday. This is Marcel. This is Amtrak 527 headed to San Jose Geardown Station. Here it comes. SC44 Steamer Charger 2124 leaves off. 8302 Mount Shasta Shack on this one, a new concept. All right, they got that train off to San Jose. No more Mount Tampa Pies on that one. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Good morning, folks. This is Marcel. This is Amtrak 528 headed to Sacramento. Here it comes. Cat car. Lead it off. Well, what do you know? It's my cat car. 8309 leads off. I know people don't like to be recorded. 8309, Mount San Jacinto, my cat car. With 2106 in the back. All right, there it goes, on its way to Sacramento. Diverting over the track to the siding track. Coming up next is 529, I think with 2104 on there. Bye-bye. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak 529 to San Jose Geardown Station. This is it now. Here it comes. Here comes Eric Fong's buddy, the stalker I hate. Well, I don't hate that engine. 2104. Here it comes. Oh boy, 2104 is just getting worse by the second. Here it comes. 2104! Ah! 8303 about the elbow. Freaking 2104. Ah! And the guy tried to beat the train, but he made it. Well, either way, they got that train on its way to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Bye.